traders. It's Monday and I just took my first trade for the week. You can see the time currently is 2:25 and it was a Bitcoin trade. You can see that it tapped deep into the position, deep, and they started playing. I broke even and it even came all back to retest this block here, this breaker block. Let me just show you guys here. Yes, and kept playing. I thought that push would have taken me out on break even, but it continued playing. Then in a split seconds, about in 3 minutes, just blew up, took out my stop loss, my break even, and it was a break even trade, and now it's been dumping. So this the lowest point I saw it about 300, almost $400 thereabouts. So on my MT5, let me just show you guys my MT5 quickly. MT5, you can see here break even trade and $6 loss because of commission, and so only trade for today. Okay, first trade for today. I'm looking at to take a trade on UJ, but I'll be giving guys an update if I take that trade. And that's just it. Balance is about $96,054.12. So that's just an update of what has been going on traders. It's Tuesday and quick update of what has been happening. So you can see on UJ, I told you guys about it yesterday, and I was watching a setup on it. So it actually gave my entry, my confirmation, and I set this trade. Missed it by just look at what it missed it by. As minute as that, and went down and kept falling until it was taking out my take profit. My take, and that TP1 is take profit on my account. So it is not really a great way to start today, because now is about 2:32. So I'll give you guys an update if I take any trade. Still pretty much open for any new trade opportunity. So also I want to show you guys something on that BTC USDT yesterday. BTC USD. You can see, let me just show you quickly. So that trade yesterday just took us out of break even and kept dumping and hit the take profit. So that's just the reality of trading. Took us out on break even and dumped to full TP. So yeah, that's just an update. I'll give you guys an update if I take another trade today. Bye for now. What's going on, guys? It's still Tuesday and I got another trade set up, just imagine, and I set it, and once again came close to my entry and dumped to my take profit. It's so annoying, but on to the next. I'll just keep following my rules, sticking to my plan, and hopefully and definitely I'll win in the long run. So that's just it, guys. It's Friday and the time is currently 1:13, and so far this week has been a crazy week. I've taken only 2 trades. One was a break even and one is still floating currently, which I'll show you guys now. So only 2 trades, and let me just show you guys quickly. So you can see that the trade here, I'm up on USD card, and it's not really, the breakout was not really a good breakout. So I'm about to close this trade now at break even and wait. Close it at break even now. Let it come up. I'm closing it at break even, then I'll wait. I'll reset the entry. Let me show you guys there on the chart. That's 2 break even trades for this week. So you can see that this breakout I traded was not really a good breakout, and this trade can from where it is currently and play to TP. I won't be angry because I'm trying my best to execute my edge. You understand? So that's just it, and now we're setting the real. Let me show you the real trade. And the only reason why I would have taken this trade is if you look where the breakout was not really a strong breakout, but it has given the real trade I'm supposed to take, which I'll be setting. If it comes, tap me in, I'll take the trade. If it doesn't come, I wait for another trade, and it's already Friday, so this will be like the last setup I'll have for the week. Let me just map it out, set it. So that's just a trade update. I will set this trade off the screen, and in each tabs I'll give you guys an update of what happens. That's just it. So yeah, what's going on, guys? Quick update of what happened. So we can see that lately we closed, it started dumping, and it's the full target of that particular trade was this place here. Was here. Quick, let me show you. Was here, of course, but it's not there yet. But it has gone a long way. But I really closed that trade because it didn't really. The break wasn't, a strong breakout. It was, and even the third candle was engulfed also like the second one. I would have left that trade to play out network currently disturbing. And if you watch well, the trade really came very, very close to the stop loss before that. So you do that as well. I already almost gave up on that trade, but I trusted my plan, trust my analysis, and trust the process, and allow the market to do the rest. And it actually dumped, came back to entry, and I told myself I'll close and wait for and set the main entry, which it gave, but unfortunately it didn't come to tap it. So it's a good one. I'm not regretting my actions, executed my process, and this is the outcome. So one advice is don't regret any decision you make, because there's always, as a good trader, there's always a reason behind every decision you make. You understand? And that's what I'm doing. As I'm not regretting anything, and I'm about to cancel that trade because you can see it has hit the take profit for this particular trade. Let me know if you're on the MT5 quickly. So I was watching YouTube. See here is hit the take profit before comment. So this is my rule. I'm done for this one, so I'll cancel this trade. You can see how much has dumped since we closed. So I'm canceling this trade. Yeah, that's just it. Maybe I'm looking out for something on a card. Let me show you quickly. If it comes, this AD card comes, give me my entry, I'll be taking it. So, and this might be the last trade for the week. If I take it, I will be updating you guys, and that's just it. So it's currently 2:38, so I'm almost done for the week. It's Friday, so if this one comes, then this will be the last trade. But if it doesn't, no problem. So that's just an update of everything. I was going on traders. The week has finally come to an end, and just a quick update of what has happened this week. So this week it took only 2 trades, and the 2 of them were break-even trades on BTC and USD card. So, and as you know, this week I had 2 missed entries that played straight to TP, just missed me by a few pips and dumped to my entry, and 2 of them were sales, which I missed gold and one other pair like that. So I missed 2 trades. So the balance is currently sitting at $96,000, and what I just know is this: I'm advancing, and I'm seeing growth in terms of my trading psychology. I know more first trades. I patient. Imagine 2 trades for the week with 2 break-evens. I'm still cool with it, you understand? And I know that with just because I'm only going to have only like 4 weeks inside this year that I'll trade for the remaining 2 weeks of November and the first half of December. That's the first 2 weeks of December. That's 4 weeks, and in those 4 weeks, by the grace of God, if 2 out of the 4 are good weeks, and what I mean by good weeks, like I can have up to 2 to 3% win in 2 weeks, I'll be out of drawdown. You understand? So that's just it, and I'm keeping things simple, following my plan, not rushing anything. Trade my plan and not emotions as I'm already doing. For the past weeks now, so like 5 to 6 weeks now. So that's just the plan, and yeah, this week I'll come back to the market and execute my edge, and that's just it. So yeah, that's just the wrap of the week. Catch you guys next week.